Now guys, on this bike I'm also going to renew the chain and the sprockets. Is that easy? Yes, of course. I got a GT rear sprocket. It's 47 tooth. And the front sprocket is a better one that's already on the bike. This has a cushion drive, I think they call it. It's a rubber inlay, so the shocks of the shifting gears, it's gonna be, it works like some sort of a shock absorber, which is it's much better. And of course, day chain. It's the 520 VX3 and it's direct energy transfer also, and it's gold, pure gold. First we're gonna get the sprocket off. Is that easy? Yes, of course. Come on over, I'm gonna show you. Now, to get the sprocket off, we need a range of 10, and on this side we need, oops, socket of 13. Ratchet, I think will do. Then, let's see. Okay. Range 10 on that side. My ratchet on that side. There he goes. And we got it off, and it's, as you can see, it's really worn. Okay. Okay, this one out of the way. Some petrol, 2, 4, 6, 2, and meantime I'm gonna clean those two. You don't want to have sand onto those where the sprocket comes. See? Okay. Perfect. Yes. Over here. Give this a quick clean too. Bolts are, bolts, and the beautiful, we don't want to have sand and grime and whatever over that too, so Yes. See? Nice. Very nice. That's the way I like it. I like to clean the bolts too. Yeah, new sprocket. And you got those filthy bolts. Why not just give them a quick clean? Some, yeah, here's off. Whop. Old Loctite. Okay. Yeah, it looks much nicer, eh? I think. And I think you guys too. Otherwise, you don't watch my channel if you're not into good motorcycle maintenance. Not pretending to be the best, but actually I do it my way. It's time consuming. It's absolutely not how a dealer would do this. That's logical, because yeah, time is money. Just spend some extra time, and then you're proud at yourself because you did it yourself. Save a lot of money also. Wait a minute, guys. Up. Yes. Up. Loctite everywhere, I think. Yes, up. Nice. Then have a look. The last one. Here is also, as you can see, Loctite. Up. Yes. Okay. Wow. Old mechanic. You did a great job. Mwah, mwah. So, then we take, yes, guys, now we got my GT Power Transfer Engineering Sprocket. Wow, nice one, huh? Quick look. Yeah, actually it's the same, which is good. See? Always place it with the markings to the outer side. Guys, we need Loctite 243. Then we get 2 bolts in for now. Over here. Oh, wait a minute. Old mechanic. We need Loctite. So, this side too. Take a book. So, okay, then. Okay. Okay, wait, no. Not it. Okay, this bolt I'm gonna give some Loctite to. So, now guys, this needs to be torqued with 25 Newton meters. And that's easy. Everything in place. My crayon, the torque wrench, socket 13, and it will 25 Newton meters. That's heel, kort hier al. Yes, for here. Now. Yes, that's one. Let's do it on this side. Yep. This one. That. Because when I was young, I always have eaten my spinach. Even kijken. Die. Check. Now guys, we need to over there. Over here we have those dampers. Rubber cushions, things. Oh, this one. Oh. Like this. Okay. Then we push this one in. Perfect. Now, gonna give the axle a smear of ball bearing grease. This one on this side. We're gonna do the same and clean this one. That's where the caliper slides. Especially that sliding thing, this one. Tiny bit of grease onto this sliding thing. Then, now we're at it. We're gonna get this loose and give that a good smear of grease too. 13, let's see, perhaps 12. Nope. This is 13. Okay. Up. We have this one, and my good old Black & Decker. Oh, wrong. Up. Loose. Now. Oh, ha ha. See? Rusty. Give it a good dab of grease. So now, in the future, easy to get it out. Okay. Hop, hop, hop. Over there too. Take my good old Black & Decker. Hop. Oh, somewhere like that. See, now can I... And on the other side, I'm gonna do the same. See, good maintenance isn't that difficult. Actually, it's easy. Guys, on this side the shortest bushing comes. Short one, see? Wait a minute. See? I put some grease over here, prevents it from falling out. This one over here. And on the other side, wait a minute, hop, hop, hop. We're gonna put that one, so also slide it in carefully. So, okay. The caliper in place, okay, can slide. Then we roll the tire in from this or the other side. Doesn't mind that much, I think. Oops. Now we're gonna carefully start rolling it in. Watch everything. And here you need, yes. Wow, it's so easy. Then over here we have the axle. Oops, lift. Be sure to put this chain yes, over there is the mounting bracket from the caliper, and it should be in line, of course, with the axle. So you need to hold it up a bit, and then oh, guys, like this. Okay. Okay. That's easy. On the other side we have this one, and we're gonna place it like that. Okay, check. Then we have a washer, thin washer, goes onto the axle. And then, guys, as you can see over here, I got that rubber cap preventing water running into the axle. It's a hollow axle. And on the other side is this closed nut. So, as you can see, water went in and never got out. And now my axle is dry. I'm going to drill a tiny hole, as when the axle heats up, which I'm sure it's doing, it would, and the air presses out, this one would fly out. So I'm going to drill a tiny hole in here. I drilled a tiny hole in here. See?